Imagine if you woke up tomorrow, reached for your coffee mug, and realized your fingers no longer tingled and your legs didn't wobble as you stood. For millions over 60, that might sound like a fantasy, but here's the shocking reality. Most people don't realize they're nagging. Hand tingling and leg weakness are not simply aging, but a powerful warning sign that your body's collagen, literally the glue that holds you together, is vanishing faster than anyone told you. Over 25% of your collagen is already gone by 60, making every step heavier and every cup feel like a burden. Even worse, 99% of seniors don't know there's a natural solution hiding in their fruit bowl. If your energy isn't bouncing back, if your knees buckle on stairs or your hands feel numb or prickly clutching the steering wheel, you're not alone. Maybe you avoid certain social events now, worried about losing your balance or dropping things. Maybe you're afraid your independence is slipping away. It isn't just you. Research suggests diminished collagen is one of the top drivers of muscle loss, weak nerves, and slow healing after 60. In one study at the Mayo Clinic, older adults with low collagen reported double the rate of falls and mobility issues. And yet, who's talking about it? Doctors rarely mention the real-life impact of collagen, decline on your nerves and muscles, especially when food, not pills, could change everything. So, is there something you can eat every day to help fight tingling, weakness, and that secret fear of dependency? Why has no one told you about the fruits that can naturally fire up collagen repair and change how you age? Picture this. You're climbing stairs without gripping the railing. Your hands wrap strong around a grandchild's hand, and you actually look forward to going out. What if the answer is as simple as the fruit you put in your basket? Let me ask, have you noticed your hands tingling more when you wake up lately? Or your legs feeling heavier than just a few years ago? Have you ever worried you're simply falling apart? Because I read every comment, and I'm here to help you find real, practical solutions. This video is for educational purposes only and should not be considered medical advice. Let's dive in. Today, we'll reveal the 7 most powerful collagen-rich fruits, ranked from number 7 all the way to number 1, the ultimate fruit for nerve, muscle, and joint repair after 60. Each one is backed by real clinical research and patient results. If you're ready to say goodbye to tingling and weakness, start here. Number 7. Tart cherries. Most people don't know tart cherries, often overlooked next to sweet cherries, are loaded with anthocyanins, deep red pigments that do more than color your fruit. They trigger a special process called collagen cross-linking, essentially sewing fragile collagen fibers back together to keep your muscles sturdy and your nerves cushioned. Imagine a sun-dried rubber band. It cracks when stretched. After 60 days, collagen in your legs, hands, and feet becomes brittle. Just like that. Tart cherries help reinforce these protein fibers, so muscles and nerves stay resilient. When your collagen frays, not only do your muscles weaken, but blood flow drops. That's why your legs may go numb on stairs or feel sluggish getting out of bed. In one study reported in Nutrients in 2019, older adults drank tart cherry juice twice daily and saw markers of inflammation and oxidative stress, which attack your nerve linings, fall by a striking 25%. That means less nerve pain and less tingling. Take Eleanor, a 74-year-old retired piano teacher, whose famous strong hands started feeling prickly. Her knees wobbled during choir rehearsals. She was terrified of falling. She even stopped sleeping well. A nutrient check showed signs of collagen wear out and slow circulation. We added just 1 cup of tart cherry juice with a tablespoon of flaxseed before bed. In weeks, Eleanor started sleeping through the night. Her hand tingling dropped off, and soon she was back performing music with new confidence. She even started to love the tart taste. Now, what's next? Imagine a fruit whose enzymes are so powerful, hospitals use them on wounds. Could it really help your nerves? Number 6. Pineapple. If you've only thought of pineapple as a sweet treat, you'll be amazed to learn it's rich in an enzyme called bromelain. Bromelain's superpower is breaking down dead or inflamed tissue, literally clearing the path so your body can repair weak joints, sore knees, and fragile nerves. Inflammation is the enemy of collagen, It stops your body from building back those important fibers. Bromelain also helps quiet nerve pain by reducing swelling around nerves and supporting the repair of their protective sheath. The reason nerves start misfiring as we age. A 2020 study in Advances in Medical Sciences followed people over 60 supplementing with bromelain. After 8 weeks, inflammation markers dropped by 28% and mobility tests improved by 17%. Translation: fewer shaky mornings and less tingling. For best results, pineapple should be eaten on an empty stomach, paired with protein like a boiled egg or scoop of yogurt to build and protect new collagen all day long. Consider Gerald, a 70-year-old retired mechanic. His hands that once fixed engines now drop tools. His legs buckled, and feet went numb like wood. We introduced 2 slices of pineapple at breakfast. Within a few weeks, Gerald felt his grip returning, and after 2 months, he could garden and even play catch with his grandson. No more dropping tools. No more wooden feet. Are you seeing a pattern? Sometimes the most common fruits reshape our strength. Ready for a fruit that's quietly working miracles for nerves and muscle support, but rarely gets any spotlight at all. Number 5. Apricots. These small, golden fruits are collagen defenders, packed with vitamin A, vitamin C, and copper, the trifecta for healthy collagen cycles. The carotenoids in apricots become like shields for your tissues, guarding against collagen breakdown in your skin, nerves, and muscle. Apricots stabilize fibroblasts, the cells that knit together new collagen. If you skip out on them, those fibroblasts weaken, and structural support vanishes, leaving you susceptible to sagging skin, slow healing, and that tingling ants on the skin feeling. Some researchers have observed that copper, found in apricots, is essential for the enzyme lysyl oxidase, which helps collagen fibers lock together into the meshwork, holding your skin and blood vessels in place. Without enough copper, common when digestion isn't what it used to be, you'll see more skin sagging and numbness. A 2018 study published in the International Journal of Dermatology showed that older adults who boosted their copper and vitamin C intake increased their collagen density by 22% in 10 weeks. Dried apricots, especially unsulfured ones, are even more potent, but always pair them with water and a handful of sunflower seeds or walnuts to keep your digestion happy. Norma, a 72-year-old ballet instructor, found her balance slipping and her arms crawling with ant-like tingles. Lab tests showed she was low in copper. We started a snack of 5 dried apricots with sunflower seeds every afternoon. In less than a month, Norma danced through her morning stretch stable, strong, and no more ants beneath her skin. She swore those little fruits brought back her center. Does this remind you of yourself? Feeling a bit off balance or noticing new tingles? After 60 you're not alone. Stay with me, because the next fruit is a summer classic that delivers both deep hydration and real nerve support. Number 4. Watermelon. Often dismissed as just sugar and water, watermelon is actually vital for seniors craving better collagen and less muscle pain. First, it's nature's hydration champion, with 92% water perfect for tissues drying with age. Second, it supplies L-citrulline, which converts in your body to nitric oxide and relaxes blood vessels. When blood moves better, so does oxygen and nutrition for every cell making collagen, especially in your legs and hands. If your legs feel like cement or your fingers cramp up at night, poor hydration and stiffened collagen are likely to blame. Watermelon's lycopene also shields collagen from destruction, especially after sun exposure or periods of inflammation. In 2021, the Journal of Clinical Biochemistry and Nutrition found that older adults eating watermelon extract daily for 2 months improved their skin elasticity by 38% and reported less muscle soreness after activity. Real signs of better collagen and recovery. Here's the key. Eat a big bowl of cool watermelon first thing in the morning. When your system is primed to absorb nutrients, adding a sprinkle of sea salt replaces lost electrolytes, tamping down cramps and improving nerve function. Diane, a 69-year-old retired nurse, was always dehydrated, prone to cramps and foot tingling. After starting this watermelon and salt morning ritual, she had fewer cramps, lighter legs, and even noticed her skin was firmer. Sometimes, the simplest changes make you feel years younger. Now that you know hydration matters, let's explore a fruit that actually deserves to be called a functional food because of its intense collagen-boosting nutrients. Number 3. Guava. Popular in tropical regions, but a hidden gem elsewhere. Guava packs more vitamin C than oranges, strawberries, or even kiwi. With age, vitamin C becomes the #1 limiting factor in collagen construction. No C, no collagen, and weak, misfiring nerves. Guava is also a leading source of zinc and silica, two minerals that quietly become deficient with age, robbing you of nerve recovery and tissue strength. Guava's highest benefit is for nerve repair. Low collagen leads to nerve fraying, so you may feel burning, numbness, or strange cold or buzzing sensations in your hands and feet. Guava, as shown in a 2022 study in the Journal of Medicinal Food, improved grip strength by 29%, skin firmness by 19%, and even sped up nerve conduction by 12% in participants over 65 who ate it daily. That means their nerves sent signals faster, so they felt surer on their feet. Eat guava raw with the skin for the most impact. A splash of lime on top helps you absorb even more of those nutrients. For Lena, a 75-year-old seamstress, declining vitamin C meant she could barely feel her sewing needle. Guava in her morning fruit salad restored her grip in 2 weeks and her sense of independence returned. She was even able to repair her grandson's costume, bringing her to tears of relief. Have you ever tried guava? For some in the West, it's unfamiliar, but its impact can be life-changing. Next, what if a fruit could switch on your genes for collagen production, making your body act younger from the inside out? Number 2. Mango. More than just sweet and delicious, mango contains a rare polyphenol called mangiferin, which researchers say flips the genetic switch for collagen creation. This becomes critical as we age because the genes responsible for repairing tissue begin to fall asleep. Mango wakes them up, stimulating not just more collagen, but better tissue healing, stronger muscles, and steadier nerves. On top of that, mango delivers vitamin A precursors, vitamin C, folate, and potassium, every ingredient needed for robust connective tissue and smooth muscle function. In 2021, a clinical trial in the Journal of Cosmetic Dermatology tracked women over 50, giving them half a mango daily for 3 months. They showed fewer wrinkles, thicker skin collagen, improved mobility, and notably fewer muscle spasms. It's not just about appearance, it's about real, structural repair. Mango is also surprisingly blood sugar friendly if you eat it in moderation, with a protein boost like some Greek yogurt or seeds, because unbalanced sugar stiffens collagen, not what we want. Henry, a 66-year-old ex-carpenter, struggled with cramps, numb hands, and patchy skin after years without fruit. He tried half a mango in the afternoon for 6 weeks. His cramps all but disappeared. He regained grip strength, and most importantly, his hands felt truly his again. Ever wondered why certain fruits work better when paired with protein or healthy fat? It's all about slowing sugar spikes and maximizing absorption, especially for those wanting to protect their collagen. And now, for the most potent collagen restorer of them all, the fruit that's been studied as an actual therapy for aging nerves and fragile joints. Number 1. Amla, or Indian gooseberry. At first glance, Amla looks like a tiny green marble, but it's one of the planet's vitamin C heavyweights, packing 600-700 milligrams per 100 grams, about 20 times more than an orange. But the real magic is how Amla reactivates fibroblasts, the cells that build and maintain collagen as you age. Not only does Amla supercharge new collagen, but it also protects existing fibers from destructive enzymes, especially MMP13, which break down collagen in seniors. There's another twist. Amla supports the lining of blood vessels, which often becomes thin and weak with age. If your hands and feet feel cold or numb, classic signs of poor circulation, Amla targets those blood vessel walls. and helps restore healthy blood flow. In a 2022 controlled study in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology, participants over 70 taking Amla daily saw a staggering 42% increase in collagen levels and 31% jump in nerve sensitivity just in 2 months. Amla also boosts glutathione production, the master antioxidant, guarding your nerves against silent inflammation and keeping collagen intact. The ideal way to take Amla is in juice or powder, mixed with warm water, a bite of turmeric, and black pepper for absorption. It blends easily into a morning smoothie or can be steeped in hot tea. Meet Miriam, an 81-year-old London librarian, nearly incapacitated by numb hands and repeated falls. Traditional treatments failed her, but 8 weeks after starting a simple Amla tea every morning, Miriam felt textures with her fingers again, and no longer needed her walker for short distances. She credits the right nutrition in her case, a humble fruit with restoring her confidence and movement. So, if you want stronger legs, steady hands, and a more confident stride, don't overlook what's on your plate. Tart cherries, pineapple, apricots, watermelon, guava, mango, and amla. Each of these fruits offers real, evidence-backed support for rebuilding collagen and fighting nerve and muscle decline after 60 HOMC. What fruit are you most excited to try? Is there one you've never even tasted, but now want to? Or maybe you've seen changes from one of these without knowing why it helped. Share your experience in the comments. We're here to help you take each step with confidence and to support each other as we age. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tips on living a healthy and vibrant life after 50. And check out the next video on reversing insulin resistance to go even deeper. If you've ever struggled with tiredness or bloating after 50, this channel is for you.